Let me commence with the name of Lord, who is benevolent and lenient. Respected judges, admirable teachers, and my esteemed audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today on this present moment, I want to share a speech with the graceful title, which is Corruption is Cancer in Balochistan. Corruption is the deadliest cancer in Balochistan. It is spread not in silence, but in broad daylight, feeding on the wealth of the land and the suffering of the people. It is not merely a crime of individuals. It is the betrayal of an entire nation in a land rich with gold, copper, gas, and coastlines. Corruption ensures that the children of Balochistan remain hungry. As the students sit in broken classrooms, as hospitals echoing emptiness, and as villages thirst for water. Fellows, this cancer does not come from outside alone. It is fed from within. The corrupt elite and European guardians of the people have become auctioneers of Balochistan's destiny. They sell resources to the diaspora, while the owners of the land, the ordinary people, are left in poverty. Roads remain unfinished, development funds vanish, and justice is traded in pieces like a cheap commodity. Corruption becomes the invisible hand that keeps Balochistan weak, divided, and voiceless. Similarly, corruption is more than theft. It is treason. It kills not only the economy, but also the spread of resistance. It teaches the young that dishonesty is cleverer than hard work. And it forces the poor to beg for what is rightfully theirs. It poisons leadership, turning from service into self-enrichment. Once upon, it deepens the walls of oppression, making the people believe that change is impossible. Honorable viewers, and yet, history teaches us that no cancer is invincible. Every empire of corruption eventually crumbles before the will of an awakened people. The cure for corruption in Balochistan is not only in laws or policies, but in revolutionary courage. It is in the farmer who refuses to be cheated, the student who demands accountability, the worker who says no to exploitation, and the citizen who dares to speak truth to power. The cure lies in unity. When the people of Balochistan rise together, corruption trembles. Thenceforth, the time has come to expose corruption as the enemy of progress, the thief of dignity, and the assassin of dreams. The time has come to say, Balochistan is not for sale. Our resources are not for sale. Our children's future is not for sale. Corruption is the cancer of our society, but the people are the cure. Where honesty is our weapon and unity is our shield, we can cleanse this land of betrayal and build a future worthy of Balochistan's sacrifices. So thank you.